Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.